Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today Xiaomi is rolling out a new update for their MI A1 and MI A2 users, which is an OTA update. And let's go to the settings, system and check for the OTA update. So towards the left hand side you can see that is MI A1, towards the right hand side that is MI A2. On MI A1 the size of this update is 238 MB, but on MI A2 the size of the update is 105 MB. As usual, Xiaomi have not mentioned any kind of change logs. They have only mentioned October security patch with few bug fixes. So downloading process is already completed. Let's reboot a device and install the update. So both the devices successfully boots up after the installation process, and here you can see system update. Success, your phone just got fresher and more secure. So let me show you the software information first on both the devices. On MI A1 you can see model number is MI A1, Android version is Android 8.1, security patch has been updated to 5th October 2018. On MI A2 model is MI A2, Android version 8.1, security patch 5th October 2018. As my device bootloader was unlocked, I had no issues installing the OTA update on both the devices. And with this update, there are no new additions done, same old stuff is available. We still did not receive any kind of news related to Android Pie. But that's for sure, MI A2 will receive Android Pie update before MI A1. So now let's see camera application, whether any improvements or new additions have been done. So as you can see, camera, it's the same old stuff available. Camera opening speed is slightly improved on both the devices. Other than that, you have all other options like portrait and manual mode. So now let's go inside the settings. Here Wi-Fi is working fine on both the bands, that is 2.4 and 5 GHz. No issues with the VoLTE services. Bluetooth also seems to be working fine on both the devices. Under display we have all the basic settings available, including ambient display. Now talking about fingerprint scanner, as I've already enrolled my fingers and I still found that fingerprint scanner is little bit slow on MI A1, but slightly improved on MI A2. And they have still not added swipe fingerprint for notification on MI A2 having a large screen. So guys, there is not much to show in this update, as it was a very minor update with the security patch upgradation and few bug fixes, which few users might have reported. So now let's take a look at the benchmark results with Geekbench application and AnTuTu Bench application. On MI A1 single core scores 871, wherein multi-core scores 4323, but on MI A2 the scores are 1645 in single core, in multi-core 4748, which are slightly lower comparing to the previous update, that was September security patch. With AnTuTu benchmark application, MI A1 scores 79,745, wherein MI A2 scores 1,30,652. Again low scores comparing it with the previous update. So guys, these are the things available with this latest update from Xiaomi for MI A1 and MI A2. If you have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.